Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the exact Rockstar Social Club account connected to Fivem. This prevents unlinking the wrong profile. Once signed in, check two-factor authentication and have your phone or authenticator ready. Make a quick backup of Fivem data and any roleplay server profiles so you can restore settings if needed. Now open Fivem, navigate to the in-game Social Club overlay, and confirm you see the same Rockstar username. This establishes the session you will unlink from. Once done with preparations, go to your Rockstar Social Club account and open Security or Connections. This is where linked apps are managed. You will find Fivem or third-party integrations listed. Selecting one reveals revoke or unlink options. Choose Unlink and follow on-screen confirmations. Rockstar often requires 2FA or email confirmation to finalize. Make sure to read any warnings about data loss or loss of access to certain multiplayer features before confirming, because unlinking is usually immediate. You finish by restarting Fivem and checking that the Rockstar connection is removed. The game should prompt for sign-in or show a disconnected status. If the unlink didn't take, clear the Fivem cache, reboot your PC, and try unlinking again from Social Club. Cached credentials often block changes. If problems persist, reinstall Fivem or reach out to Rockstar support with account details ready. A key troubleshooting tip: always clear cache and re-authenticate before contacting support to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.